Hello and welcome to the Free Financial Nomad. In today's video, we'll be discussing some of the best ways to make money independently of location. With the rise of remote work, it's now easier than ever to earn a living from anywhere in the world. Whether you're a digital nomad or just want the flexibility to work from home, there are plenty of opportunities available to you. So, without further ado, let's dive in. Freelancing. Freelancing is a great way to make money independently of location. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, or programmer, there are plenty of opportunities available on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. You can create a profile, showcase your skills and experience, and start bidding on projects that interest you. The best part is, you can work from anywhere in the world and set your own schedule. Online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, online tutoring can be a great way to make money independently of location. There are many online tutoring platforms like VIPKid, Chegg, and TutorMe that allow you to connect with students from all over the world and teach them via video chat. You can set your own schedule and work as much or as little as you want. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a popular way to make money by promoting other people's products. You can create content like a blog, YouTube channel, or social media account that promotes products in your niche, and then includes special links to those products. When someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and CJ Affiliate are popular affiliate marketing programs. Creating and selling digital products. If you have a particular skill or expertise, you can create and sell digital products like ebooks, courses, or templates. Websites like Gumroad, Teachable, and Udemy make it easy to create and sell digital products to people all over the world. You can set your own prices, market your products, and earn passive income. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a way to sell products online without holding inventory. You create an online store and choose products to sell from a supplier. When a customer buys a product, the supplier ships it directly to the customer. You can use platforms like Shopify and Oberlo to create your online store and find products to sell. Dropshipping can be a profitable business if you choose the right products and have a solid marketing strategy. Online investing. Investing in stocks, cryptocurrencies, and other assets can be a great way to make money independently of location. With online trading platforms, you can buy and sell assets from anywhere in the world with an internet connection. It's important to do your research and invest wisely, but if you have a solid strategy, online investing can be a great way to earn passive income. Virtual bookkeeping. If you're good with numbers and accounting, you can become a virtual bookkeeper for a company or entrepreneur. Virtual bookkeepers can do everything from managing accounts payable and receivable to reconciling bank statements. You can use platforms like Bookminders and Belay to find virtual bookkeeping opportunities. Social media management. If you're good at social media, you can become a social media manager for a company or entrepreneur. Social media managers are responsible for creating and executing social media strategies, managing social media accounts, and analyzing data to optimize performance. You can use platforms like Hootsuite and Buffer to manage social media accounts and find social media management opportunities. Translation services. If you're bilingual or multilingual, you can offer translation services to individuals and businesses. There are many platforms like Translators Cafe and Pros that connect translators with clients in need of translation services. You can translate documents, websites, and other materials from anywhere in the world and set your own rates. Online coaching. Online coaching is a great way to make money independently of location if you have expertise in a particular area. Whether it's fitness, business, or personal development, there are many people who are willing to pay for coaching and mentorship. You can use platforms like Coach.me and BetterUp to connect with clients and offer coaching services. Content writing. Content writing is a great way to make money independently of location if you're a skilled writer. You can write blog posts, articles, and other content for businesses and individuals. Platforms like Cantina and ProBlogger connect writers with clients who need content. You can work from anywhere in the world and set your own rates. Voiceover acting. If you have a good voice and acting skills, you can offer voiceover services to businesses and individuals. You can record voiceovers for videos, commercials, and other materials from anywhere in the world. Platforms like Voices.com and Voice123 connect voice actors with clients in need of voiceover services. Podcasting. Podcasting is a great way to make money independently of location if you have an interesting topic and a loyal audience. You can create a podcast on a topic that you're passionate about and monetize it through sponsorships, advertisements, and merchandise. Platforms like Anchor and Podbean make it easy to create and distribute your podcast to listeners all over the world. Online surveys. Although not the most lucrative option, taking online surveys can be a way to earn some extra money independently of location. There are many survey websites like Swagbucks and Survey Junkie that pay users to take surveys and participate in other activities like watching videos and playing games. While the payouts are usually small, it can be a way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. Closing. And there you have it, 14 different ways to make money independently of location. Whether you're a digital nomad, a stay-at-home parent, or just someone who values flexibility, there are plenty of opportunities available to you. It's important to choose the right option for your skills and interests, and to put in the time and effort required to succeed. So, what are you waiting for? Start exploring these different options and find the one that's right for you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on The Free Financial Nomad.